Hi, my name's Ashley. I'm an English teacher and a writer. I'm going to be showing you how to improve your GRE score by 1 to 2 points. I've helped hundreds of students meet their writing goals, and I'm excited to help you do that as well. So, one of the first things we'll do is take a look at the 525 method of time management. This is a really unique way to get your ideas on the page quickly and concisely, while also making sure that you have a well-written piece. From there, we're going to go on to boosting your vocabulary with analytical words. These are words that will enrich your piece and make sure that you're sounding very strong in your arguments. After that, we'll make easy, flexible, and reliable templates that you can practice with over and over again. The more you practice with these, the easier it'll be to draft that essay on the day of. I'll also include tips and tricks, healthy habits, day of prep, and practice writing examples in the supplementary readings below. There's going to be tons of timed practice that you can have access to. It's all in the section below, so take a look at that. We'll also have examples of successful analytical essays and unsuccessful analytical essays. We're going to write some really great outlines and templates. So before we get to all this, let's take a quick look at how you're feeling. What are your goals for the GRE? Write them below, and let's see if we can find some friends who are having the same experiences. Let's also take a quick look at your fears and obstacles. What are you afraid of the day of? Is there anything that is holding you back from doing your very best? Write that out below, and we'll see if we can get some support from your fellow GRE takers. Okay, so it's important to remember that you're not alone. A lot of people struggle with writing on the spot and they can feel nervous. So hang in there. Hopefully these tips and tricks are going to help you feel more confident and get the results you're looking for. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the course.